Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use the section Games of the mobile app and website QUIZLET. If you don't have an account, watch my other video on how to create an account on QUIZLET. If you already have one, choose one unit of study, for example, questions, go to the section Games, and we can start with the game Combine. Follow the instruction. You have to match the terms that are similar in the least amount of time. After you finish, you will be able to see the time that it took you to complete the game and your position. Go to the option Play Again so that you can make it in a lower amount of time. The next game is called Gravity. Here you have to write the words in English or Spanish before these asteroids fall. Go to the section Options and make your own settings before playing. Choose the language for your responses and the level of difficulty. Write a version of the word in English or Spanish before the asteroids fall. You can carry on until you get a high score and you have reached higher levels. In the section QUIZLET Live, you will be able to live with your students. You can create teams or have individual players. Your students will have to go to www.quizlet-live and access with the code, or they can also download the app. You can change some of the game settings in the section Options so that you can practice any kind of unit and the exercises that you want. Thanks for watching. I hope that you find this video useful. Enjoy learning.